Is your home feeling cluttered? Discover the top 10 best Amazon organization, products and essentials that will help you declutter and transform your space, fast and affordably. From smart storage hacks to space-saving tools, these picks are total game changers. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful finds and check the link in the bio to shop the products. This is the Yitta Home 8-tier shoe rack, a sleek and space-saving solution for organizing your footwear. With magnetic doors and a foldable design, it fits perfectly in closets, entryways, or living rooms. Its modern style blends easily into any home decor, offering a clean and clutter-free look, while keeping your shoes neatly stored and easily accessible. This is the Joseph Pocket Folding Tabletop Ironing Board, a compact, space-saving solution perfect for small homes or apartments. Its foldable design includes an integrated iron holder and a wall-mount hook for easy storage. With a sleek gray and yellow color scheme and advanced drip lock cover, it makes ironing more efficient and organized without taking up valuable space. This is the Amazon Basics Desk Drawer Organizer, a sleek and durable metal mesh organizer designed to keep your office or home workspace neat and clutter-free. With 6 compartments and an anti-slip base, it's perfect for storing pens, clips, scissors, and more, all while staying firmly in place. Its modern black finish adds a clean, professional touch to any desk. This is the Brookstone Collapsible Laundry Basket, a large, foldable hamper designed for both style and function. With a spacious interior and non-slip grip handles, it's easy to carry and perfect for laundry or versatile home storage. Its flat folding design saves space in small areas, while the ventilated sides keep contents fresh and dry. This is the Sleek Socket Outlet Concealer, a smart, ultra-thin solution to hide bulky plugs and messy cords behind furniture or in tight spaces. Its flat extension cord and adhesive cord concealer kit help keep your home tidy, safe, and stylish without the need for tools. Ideal for kitchens, living rooms, and anywhere you want a clean, modern look, while gaining extra outlets. This is the SZNLZQ Drink Organizer for Fridge, a space-saving, automatic pusher-glide system that keeps your soda cans and bottles neatly aligned and always accessible. Made from recycled plastic with spring-loaded durability, it holds up to 25 cans, 12 ounces to 20 ounces, and fits most fridges. Easy to assemble and adjust, it helps eliminate fridge clutter and ensures your favorite drinks are always front and center. This is the Utopia Kitchen Rolling Egg Container, a sleek, space-saving solution for organizing eggs in your fridge. This 3-pack clear plastic set features an auto-rolling slope design that gently moves eggs forward for easy access. Stackable and durable with removable lids, it keeps eggs fresh, secure, and neatly stored without wasting fridge space. Ideal for modern kitchens aiming for both functionality and convenience. This is the V-Top Mart 4-pack clear stackable storage drawers, a versatile and durable organizer designed to keep your space neat and tidy. Made from clear, shatter-resistant acrylic, these stackable drawers are perfect for storing makeup, toiletries, kitchen items, or office supplies. With built-in handles and non-slip pads, they offer easy access and stability, helping you create an organized and clutter-free home. This is the Space Lead Slim Storage Cart 3-tier, a versatile and compact rolling utility cart designed to fit into narrow spaces like bathrooms, kitchens, offices, and laundry rooms. Featuring 360-degree rotating wheels, mesh bottom shelves to keep items dry, and adjustable shelves that can be configured as 2 or 3 tiers, this cart offers flexible storage and easy access. Made from durable plastic with side hoops for extra storage, it's simple to assemble without tools and perfect for organizing your space efficiently. This is the Plastic Bed Sheet Organizers and Storage 4 Pack by Ems Homely, designed to keep your bedding neatly stored and protected. Made from sturdy PP plus PET plastic, these organizers are dust-proof, waterproof, and durable enough to prevent wrinkles or deformation. Featuring clear windows on both sides, they allow easy identification of contents without opening, making organization simple and efficient. These foldable and stackable storage boxes are perfect for keeping sheets, duvet covers, and blankets tidy while saving space and complementing any home decor.